When you have issues with your network, your engineers can get distracted from their daily tasks to resolve unexpected issues. Oftentimes, support requires ticket submission and waiting on an answer. What if a more personalized, responsive process was available instead? Knowing that your network empowers your business and end users, the care you're giving it should match its value. And that's where Extreme Networks Premier Support comes in. Extreme Networks Premier Support provides a single point of contact, personally vested in the reliability of your network, getting answers to questions and rapidly moving through support for quicker resolutions, available globally 24/7. Premier Support is a high-touch customer advocacy engagement provided to customers who want a trusted vendor providing oversight of their network to ensure it's always under close care. You'll be assigned a delivery manager who can help you do everything from keeping track of your network to watching for trending problems in Extreme software and hardware, plus facilitating case movement through support. With Extreme Networks as your partner, you can depend on a customer advocate who will make certain that all your service needs are met. Choose Extreme Networks Premier Support to advocate for your business and maintain a constant, proactive relationship. Learn more about Extreme Networks Premier Support, or for more information, please visit the link below.